best smart garden kits available to help you make a quick, smart buying decision for your home. Product number 1. A Hope Garden 10-pod indoor garden hydroponics growing system. An incredible soil-free solution for any countertop. This kit allows you to cultivate up to 10 different plants simultaneously, from fresh culinary herbs to vibrant flowers. It features an adjustable light post that extends up to 14.5 inches, adapting perfectly as your seedlings stretch and mature. The integrated full-spectrum LED lighting mimics natural sunlight, promoting rapid photosynthesis and significantly faster yields compared to traditional outdoor planting. You will love the convenience of the automated 16-hour on and 8-hour off timer, which removes the guesswork from daily care. Product number 2. A Hope Garden 12-pod hydroponics growing system kit with LCD touch panel. Next up, we have the Hope Garden 12-pod hydroponics growing system kit with LCD touch panel. This model expands your cultivation capacity, offering 12 designated spots to raise everything from lettuce to juicy cherry tomatoes. A major highlight is its intuitive digital touchscreen interface, which provides instant control over lighting schedules and growth modes with just a quick tap. The telescopic rod adjusts impressively up to 17 inches tall, giving larger greens plenty of room to flourish without restriction. Utilizing an advanced water circulation pump, the setup ensures that roots receive maximum oxygenation and nutrient distribution, leading to visibly healthier stems. Product number 3. URUQ 8-pod hydroponics growing system garden. Moving forward, we present the URUQ 8-pod hydroponics growing system garden. Designed for compactness, this space-saving appliance is an excellent choice for smaller apartments or crowded kitchen counters. Although it has a slightly smaller footprint, it still delivers powerful performance with a dedicated 24-watt LED board that simulates natural solar energy. The automated circulation pump works quietly in the background, keeping the nutrient solution fresh and highly oxygenated to accelerate root development. A fully adjustable overhead hood accommodates various plant heights as your harvest grows taller over time. It comes equipped with an intelligent timer that automatically manages the light cycle, ensuring your greenery receives the exact amount of daily illumination needed to thrive. Setup is remarkably straightforward, requiring no prior agricultural experience to get started right away. Product number 4. A Hope Garden 10-pod indoor garden kit with smart temp and humidity display. Our fourth featured option is the Hope Garden 10-pod indoor garden kit with smart temp and humidity display. What sets this particular model apart is its built-in smart screen, which continuously tracks both the ambient temperature and moisture levels of your growing environment. This crucial data allows you to optimize room conditions for peak harvest success. It holds up to 10 individual seed sponges, providing ample variety for your indoor agriculture needs. The energy-efficient LEDs foster vigorous leafy expansion, while the quiet water pump prevents stagnation within the main tank. It also includes adjustable vertical clearance to support taller botanical varieties comfortably. The automated lighting schedule perfectly replicates day and night cycles, fostering a natural biological rhythm for your crops. Product number 5. LetPot LPH SE 12-pod Smart Hydroponics Growing System. Finally, we highly recommend the LetPot LPH SE 12-pod Smart Hydroponics Growing System. This premium appliance brings next-level technology to your living space with full Wi-Fi and smartphone application connectivity. You can remotely control lighting timers, monitor the massive 5.5-liter water tank, and switch modes directly from your mobile device. It supports a dozen distinct plants at once, illuminated by a high-efficiency 24-watt LED canopy that dramatically accelerates the germination process. The dynamic pump operates on an automatic schedule, cycling the nutrient bath silently to prevent root rot and maximize oxygen intake. This high-capacity reservoir means you can comfortably take a short vacation without worrying about your crops drying out prematurely. The intelligent software even sends notifications when hydration levels drop too low. Choosing the right model comes down to your budget and capacity needs. These 5 kits offer excellent price compatibility, ranging from affordable compact units to premium app-controlled options. Investing in one means endless, fresh, organic produce all year long. Thanks for watching.